In this video, we'll be customizing the map page on the Garmin Montana 700 series here. We'll be adding a dashboard and customizing some data fields here. So let's get started. We're under the recreational profile. So here is our map page. I'm going to tap on the menu button, and from here I'm going to select map setup. And from here I'm going to select dashboard. And from here I'm going to choose, for example, compass. Go back. And now I have this little button, tap on that, and now I can have the compass visible. Or I can tap to roll it back up. Let's go back into our setup. And now we're going to choose something else. We're going to choose large data field. And now we can have, again, tap on the little drawer, and we can bring down the big data field. Let's do one more. Map setup. Dashboard, and actually let's do small data fields. So now what we can do here is we can customize each of these data fields we wanted to. Same with all the other ones here, but you can see here we're touching and we can't change it. So we have to tap on menu, unlock data fields, and from here now we can touch, and now we can change our data fields to what we want to do. All right. There's a whole bunch of data fields that you can pick. And again, once you're all done, you can tap the drawer. All right, or you want to lock the fields, lock the data fields. Last thing, not all dashboards will probably be useful for your usage, but one that is kind of useful here, may be useful for some of you, is the custom. So when we select custom, when you are navigating with the device, you can choose a specific type of dashboard. Here it's currently set to the small data fields. You can set it to none. Or when you're not navigating, select a different one. So if you're not navigating, let's choose none. And when we're navigating, we can use small data fields. So let's bring that. We're not navigating, so there's no data fields. So let's do a find. Let's do a recent find. And let's navigate to that. All right, so you can see now I'm navigating. Now I have the dashboard, my small data field dashboard that I had at the beginning here. And if you want to reset everything, you can always go back and restore defaults. And that will bring your map page back to the default settings. There you go. Now this is the end of the video for customizing your dashboards and data fields on the map page, Garmin Montana 700.